What's going on, guys? You're watching Johnny Fabs, and today is Four-Wheeler Friday. And today we're going to be showing you some clips of us riding today, and just some drone shots, and some more of my new 250R. It's a Honda 250R. I've been working on it since about December. Put some new parts on it. Got some long travel A-arms, Elka shocks, new tires, Maxxis tires, new aluminum radiator with stainless steel shrouds. It has the motor. It is a 363 ESR top end, the 4mm stroker. It has a 38mm carb cams with a K&N air filter. Elka in the rear, same shock. The rear has Baja Bead Saver rims. Plastics came with the quad, and then I put a IMS big fuel tank on it for trail riding. So it does pretty good. So let's see some shots. We'll go from there.